In today's powerful, finely tuned engines, timing is everything, and the exact mixture of air and fuel is critical. Carbon deposits bake onto piston crowns, combustion chambers, injector nozzles, intake and exhaust valves, ports, and the throttle body. Deposits also choke the air induction system, causing drivability problems such as knocking, hesitation, rough idle, hard starting, and poor gas mileage. The BG Fuel and Air Induction Service removes deposits, ensuring proper air and fuel flow. Your vehicle will accelerate like new, with an increase in horsepower and gas mileage, and a decrease in emissions. The Lifetime BG Protection Plan underwrites the quality of this service.